Hey there! I'm so excited to share today's find with you. It's one of those products that you don't want to miss. First, the design. Honestly, it's stunning. Simple yet eye-catching. Now, about the price, it's a steal. Great quality, for a fraction of what you'd expect. It's one of those rare gems that delivers way more than it costs. And versatility? Oh, this product shines in so many ways. Use it at home, the office, or even gift it to someone special. Want to know more? Details are in the description. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're always in the loop. Thanks for watching.